This tutorial demonstrates how to configure Gamma 9 Mailer to send email to a list of recipients. Here you can see the Welcome panel. Click on Create New Project, then Manual Setup. On the Headers branch, we're going to enter the Emails From header. And the subject. On the HTML body branch, we're going to specify the content of the email. If you already have an HTML file that you want to send, click External HTML Body, and then this button here, which will let you browse for the file. For testing, we're going to instead use an internal HTML body that is stored inside the project. Here you can see the raw HTML code. To edit it like a word processor, click the Edit tab. To make it easier for you, there is a template that you can start from. Choose Template Designer from the Tools menu. As you can see, there are currently only 2 templates, but they can be customized in many ways. You can choose a color scheme for your template here. And on each of these tabs, there are many other customization options. Click the Use in Project button when you are finished. This message warns us that the project's HTML body will be overwritten. Click OK. Now that the template has been copied into the project, you can further edit the actual text within it. The content of the email is now finished. Next, we're going to specify the mailing list. Click on the Recipients branch. For testing, we'll use a simple list of email addresses entered directly into the project. Check the Recipient List box and enter your own email address. The last task is to tell Gamma 9 Mailer how to send emails. On the SMTP branch, specify your mail server's name. You will need to provide a username and password as well. At this point, we're ready to send the emails. First, we should save our project to a file. Choose Save Project As from the File menu. Name the project and click Save. We are now ready to send. Click the Send icon on the toolbar or press F5. This is called the Preview window. It shows you exactly what is going out and to whom. The Preview window helps you verify that the project is configured correctly, especially when the emails are being personalized with database data. If everything looks right, click the Send Emails icon to begin the mailing. A progress window will appear while emails are being sent. You will then be shown a summary of how it went. If there were failures, click the View Log button for more details. Contact us if you can't work out any problems. This concludes the Gamma 9 Mailer Send tutorial.